How to view output in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the section. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now on the top, there's an option called View. Simply tap on View. So here, you'll be able to find different options that are available. So these are the basic one. Here on the bottom, there's a section called Output. Simply tap on Output. Now as you can see here on the bottom, the output section has been opened. Now whenever you run a code, this bar will show you everything, if the code runs successfully or if there are any errors in the code. So this will determine and help the coders a lot. So make sure you turn it on and later you can close it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.